Have you ever wondered what online business model actually works in 2025? I've spent the last 3 years testing over 20 different methods, burning through thousands of dollars and experiencing more failures than I care to admit. But today, I'm sharing the one model that finally cracked the code for me, generating consistent six-figure revenue when combined with a simple strategy that most people completely overlook. Let me start by being brutally honest about my journey through the online business graveyard. Like many of you watching this video, I was desperate to escape the 9-to-5 trap. I had big dreams, limited capital, and an endless appetite for get-rich-quick schemes that promised financial freedom. My first venture was dropshipping. Everyone online was talking about how easy it was to set up a store, find winning products, and watch the money roll in. The reality hit me like a freight train. After investing $2,000 in Facebook ads, dealing with angry customers complaining about month-long shipping times from China, and constantly battling suppliers who would randomly change prices or go out of stock, I barely broke even. The profit margins were razor thin, customer service was a nightmare, and I was essentially building someone else's business while taking all the risks. Next came print on demand. This seemed like the perfect solution because there was no inventory risk. I spent months designing t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, convinced that my creative genius would shine through. After uploading hundreds of designs across multiple platforms, my total earnings after 6 months were a whopping $47. The market was oversaturated. Standing out required massive advertising budgets, and the platforms took such large cuts that profitable scaling seemed impossible. eBay reselling looked promising initially. I started flipping items from garage sales and thrift stores and actually made some decent money in the first few months. But this model quickly revealed its limitations. It was incredibly time-intensive, required constant inventory hunting, and had a very low ceiling for growth. Plus, eBay's fees kept increasing, and competition from professional resellers made it harder to find profitable items. Affiliate marketing was my next obsession. I built several niche websites, created product comparison reviews, and optimized everything for search engines. While I did generate some passive income, the constant algorithm changes, increasing competition, and dependence on traffic sources I couldn't control made it extremely stressful. One Google update could wipe out months of work overnight. I also tried Amazon FBA, which required massive upfront investment in inventory with no guarantee of success. The competition was fierce. Amazon's rules constantly changed, and many sellers found their accounts suspended for minor violations. Cryptocurrency trading seemed exciting during the bull market, but the volatility and emotional stress nearly destroyed my mental health and bank account. Social media marketing agencies and various other models all had their own unique challenges. High client churn, refund requests, and the constant pressure to prove ROI made these ventures more stressful than rewarding. Then I discovered YouTube automation, and everything changed. But here's the crucial part that most people teaching this model completely miss. YouTube automation alone is not the secret. The real magic happens when you combine it with your own digital product ecosystem. Let me explain how this works. YouTube automation involves creating content-focused channels without showing your face, using strategies like voiceovers, stock footage, animations, and outsourced editing. I've successfully monetized over 10 channels using this approach, but the advertising revenue from YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. The breakthrough came when I realized that each YouTube channel could serve as a perfect lead generation machine for complementary digital products. Instead of building random channels about trending topics, I started creating channels that naturally aligned with problems my digital products could solve. For example, one of my channels focuses on productivity and time management tips. While this channel earns decent ad revenue, its real value comes from driving traffic to my productivity course and digital planner templates. Another channel covers personal finance basics, which perfectly feeds into my budgeting spreadsheet and investment guide sales. The beauty of this system lies in how seamlessly the pieces fit together. Every video I create serves a dual purpose, generating immediate ad revenue while building an audience of potential customers for my higher margin digital products. The viewers who discover my content through YouTube are already interested in the topic, making them highly qualified leads. This model solves every major problem I encountered with previous business ventures. Unlike dropshipping, I have complete control over my products and customer experience. There are no inventory concerns like with Amazon FBA, no shipping delays, and no supplier issues. The profit margins on digital products are incredible, often exceeding 90% once the initial creation costs are recovered. The scalability factor is remarkable. Each new YouTube channel expands my reach into different market segments while requiring minimal additional overhead. Once a channel gains momentum, the content continues working for months or years, generating both ad revenue and product sales long after publication. Content creation becomes much more strategic when you have this dual-purpose approach. Every video topic is chosen based on its potential to attract ideal customers for my digital products. This focus creates more valuable content because I'm genuinely trying to solve problems that my products address, rather than chasing random viral trends. The automation aspect allows for incredible leverage. I have teams handling video editing, thumbnail creation, and uploading schedules across multiple channels. This frees up my time to focus on product development and optimization, rather than getting bogged down in daily content creation tasks. You can even do content creation yourself effortlessly with the help of AI tools. You can find a list of the perfect AI tools for YouTube automation in my description below. I tested them all, and they are by far the cheapest and best working for this business model. I will show you more insights of these tools in another video for sure, so feel free to subscribe to my channel. In this YouTube and digital product system, customer acquisition costs are significantly lower compared to paid advertising. While Facebook and Google ads become more expensive every year, YouTube's organic reach continues providing free traffic to qualified prospects. The platform's recommendation algorithm actively promotes quality content, essentially giving free marketing support. The trust factor cannot be overstated. When someone discovers your digital product through valuable YouTube content, they already perceive you as an authority in that space. This dramatically increases conversion rates compared to cold traffic from paid advertisements. Revenue diversification provides incredible stability. Multiple income streams from various channels, combined with recurring digital product sales, create a business that's resilient to platform changes or market fluctuations. If one channel's performance drops, others continue generating revenue. I build an income simulator sheet where you can play with the numbers for yourself. It's completely free, and if you want to try it, check the link in the description below. The compound effect over time is extraordinary. As channels grow and accumulate more videos, their earning potential increases exponentially. Simultaneously, the email lists built from YouTube traffic become increasingly valuable assets for launching new products. Most importantly, this model builds a real business with actual value, not just a temporary income stream. The combination of content libraries, email subscribers, and proven product sales creates assets that could potentially be sold for substantial multiples. The key insight that changed everything for me was understanding that YouTube automation works best when it's not treated as a standalone business model, but rather as the marketing engine for a larger digital product empire. This realization transformed my entire approach to online business and finally delivered the financial freedom I'd been chasing for years. If you're tired of jumping between different online business models without seeing real results, consider testing this integrated approach. Start by identifying a problem you can solve with a digital product, then build YouTube content that attracts people facing that exact problem. The synergy between these elements creates a business model that's both sustainable and scalable in ways I never experienced with any other online venture. Also, a quick side note. The hardest part isn't just starting, it's staying consistent. That's why I use my daily success audio system. 3 short audios that keep me locked in every day. Link below if you want to try it too. And if you want a deeper dive into the creation process of digital products and YouTube automation channels, feel free to subscribe now, and I see you in the next video.